Morning, sir.
How are you all?
We are fine, sir.
Sit down, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, what are you doing?
Sir, I have made a poster of Diwali.
Nice. Sir, this is my poster related to Eid. Good.
Sir, this is my poster related to Christmas. Sir, I have made a poster related to Guru Purnima. Sir, I made something different. All religions together, we are one.
Excellent. Okay, my dear students, your this week's project topic is Peace and Harmony Religion. Each group must show how different religions promote peace.
But, sir, if religion brings peace, why do people fight over it?
Yes, sir. Every time there is a news headline about violence, it is linked to one religion.
That's not what religion teaches. It's people who twist the meanings.
Exactly. Okay, students, find peaceful teaching from your religion. We'll share them more. Good morning, students. Students, remember I gave you a task yesterday? Have you prepared for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Come one by one and share your ideas.
भागवत गीता में श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणोग विहस्ते शुनि चैव श्रवाके च पंडिता समदर्शनः। ओम। अर्थात वो मनुष्य जो हर प्राणी को समान दृष्टि से देखता है वास्तव में वही ज्ञानी है।
The Quran says, do not let the hatred of others make you swerve from justice. That shows peace is above ego.
Jesus said, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God." Peace is a virtue in itself. In Guru Granth Sahib, it means there is one Creator, whose name is truth, without fear, without hate.
Why are you giving me this? What's with all these signs?
Yeah, are you trying to solve your religion or something?
No, it's about peace. I made them with different faith symbols to show unity.
He is not showing off. He is showing us that we are more alike than different.
Exactly. It's about harmony, not whose symbol is bigger. Peace isn't just about place. It's about how we treat each other.
And religion should never be a reason to divide. It should inspire us to care.
If faith makes you hate others, maybe it's not faith, it's fear. Beautifully said. Every religion teaches peace. It's time we start practicing it together.